Today I'm going to show you how to make fully animated videos with ChatGPT in 5 minutes. First, we need our story, so go to ChatGPT and log in. Type, "Give me kids' story names ideas." Then it will give us different names and choose whichever you like. Ask it to write a story about it, and then it will generate it for you. Now we need our voiceover for the video, so we will go to 11 Labs. Choose a voice that you like and then paste it here, and click Generate. Click Download and save it to your computer. Now for the next part, we need to have images for the video. The best site I could find for it is called Desgo. Simply just copy a part of your story like this and paste it there. Don't forget to click on More option, and in Resolution, choose Landscape. For the final step, we are going to edit our video in CapCut. It has a free and paid version, but you can use it for free. Add all your images and voice to there, and don't forget to put auto subtitles. Here is the result.
Once upon a time, in a land far away, there existed a magnificent kingdom called the Rainbow Kingdom. It was a place of unparalleled beauty and wonder, where the colors of the rainbow danced in harmony, painting the sky with a breathtaking palette every day. One fine morning, the kingdom was awoken by a resounding thud. A mysterious golden chest had appeared at the castle's entrance, adorned with intricate engravings of mythical creatures and symbols. King Leo, the wise and benevolent ruler of the Rainbow Kingdom, called upon his people to gather around the chest.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos about how to make easy money with AI.